Hey everyone, welcome to another weekly report from my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I haven't posted in the last week. My last post was October the 12th, so pretty much a week ago, 8 days ago. The reason being, I am working on a new format that I want to test, and this one is it takes a bit longer to create the video. So I do expect to finish it in the next week or so. But yeah, that's why no videos for the past week. And let's go back to our lifetime view here, because we're still working towards the monetization goal on YouTube. Great news for this week is I have hit the 4,000 watch time hours. So just recapping the goals for monetizing the channel and the parameters that YouTube sets to monetize channels are 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. So we have hit the 4,000 watch time hours. Now we pretty much need to double or get a little more than double our subscriber count. We need to go from the 418 that we have to 1,000. Okay, so very interesting in terms of views. Views have dipped, but still getting a reasonable of views, so around 20-ish per hour, and at some points like more, like kind of double that. If we look at our top content, still the reactions to the lowest high was songs, and then a few reactions to Rory Gallagher performing well as well. My latest content, the Dream Theater reaction, has not performed that well. It started off okay, right? Almost 300 views in 2 days, and then quickly stagnated. So we're at around not even at 500 views, and we're getting some views here and there, one here, a couple there. And when we look at the other ones, another interesting conclusion is they are stagnating as well. So like this one, it really took off like in the first day or so, first 3 days, and kept growing really steadily. That's how it reached over 10,000 views in around a month, but it now starting to really stagnate. We're getting a few views here and there, you see. So it's nice. It's a good video for the channel in general, and it has gotten me a lot of watch time hours and a lot of subscribers. But it apparently is kind of running its life cycle, same as the other ones. So other videos that were faster to pick up but are kind of starting to stagnate as well, like this one that hasn't reached the 10,000 views yet, but at one point was growing faster than the other one. This one that hasn't reached the 5,000. This one that hasn't reached the 3,000 yet. You can see that it started really taking off really sharply, and then it started to stagnate, and now again, similar to the other ones, we get a few views here and there. So it kind of reinforces my decision to test another format, right? And that's what I'm working on. But if you look at the Rory Gallagher reactions, like similar, they did not grow too much earlier, and then they kind of picked up and then started to slow down and stagnate a bit as well. Getting some views here or there, okay. Again, like a few views here and there, but really slowed down over time. So yeah, so now I'm gonna test a new a different format, see how it goes. And yeah, I guess that's it. We're still working towards monetization. We're a lot closer now that we have hit the watch time hours. So we need to get the subscribers. And another cool Interesting thing is the channel is almost at 50,000 views so far, which is awesome, especially considering that even though I really started the channel in April, um, I I actually started in April. I really started to put more focus and energy on it in July. So that's about 3 months. So that's pretty cool. If we take a look at the earn dashboard here, we're going to see that YouTube's probably late in some updates. The watch time metrics, they typically have a delay to reach this dash here. So we're going to see it. Yes, we have hit the 3,000 for these intermediate monetization milestones here. So still pending the 500 to hit the first part, and we have hit the watch time hours. But for the full monetization, this is just a delay in the YouTube processing. We've seen in the other dash that we have hit the 4,000, but it does take a little more to hit this dashboard, and we need to get to this 1,000 subscribers. So progress keeps being made, but still not quite there yet. And those are the conclusions for the day. I'm gonna keep you posted on the next one, the next test. And yeah, that's it. See you next time.